Minista wa Githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU ni ahinyiriirie kuga thirikari ni yandikite wira arutani 56,750 guku bururi-ini niguo kunina ukunderu wa arutani uria ukoretwo kuo thukuru-ini cia muingi.
I am a boy.
Gatagatĩ-inĩ ka namba ĩno arutani amwe megukorwo magithomithia arutwo thukuru-inĩ 23,000 cia junior secondary guothe bururi-ini na gutigirira oro subject ina murutani.
We have quite a number that have been employed in a junior school and also those who are in the existing primary schools. We have been able to create a capacity. They have been able to be retooled pedagogical skills, and they are not able to teach in our existing junior schools.
MACHOGU niaugite ministry yake iri na mubango wa guthie na mbere na kuongerera arutani guku akiuga aria megukorwo makiheo mweke uyu ni aria marikitie mathomo mao hamwe na interns aria marathomithia arutwo a JSS kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe kana iri mbere ya mahetwo mieke ya kwandikwo wira ni thirikari.
We also have people, and quite a number of them, who have completed school, may it be university or diploma in teaching. And we say the government has a policy not only in teaching but even in other sectors where we have internship. We have been able to absorb quite a good number of them, and progressively as we get into the other year we will again be able to absorb the remaining JSS teachers who are on internship, because the criteria for employment now is that you must start as an intern.
Oho niaugite ni matanyite gukorwo makiamukira kigina gia ciringi bilioni 9 kuma kuri thirikari iri gukorwo ikihuthika waki-ini wa laboratory cia science, irathi hamwe na indo iria igukorwo ikibatarania mathomo-ini ma arutwo aria mari thukuru-ini cia junior secondary.
You remember we said we have enough classrooms. We don't have a problem as far as classrooms are concerned. Of course, progressively moving forward, we are also building science laboratories in these particular schools, combining our efforts with the members of the 290 constituencies.
Uhoro-ini wigie kuongererwo kwa fithi ni arutani a mathukuru mugaru na watho, MACHOGU niaugite ministry yake ni gukorwo igituma arugamiriria a githomo gwika birigiceni mathukuru-ini matiganite niguo gutigirira gutiri murutani ukuongerera fithi itahitukitio ni thirikari.
We have a structure of county directors who are represented here today. We also have sub-county directors of education who will be able to make sure that we enforce this, and all our principals countrywide. I think they have been able to get this particular message in a very clear manner, and nobody will be able to levy any additional school fees or any such levies which are not approved and recommended by government, and for that matter by the Ministry of Education.